our 48-inch right compartment single bay sink. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have 48 inches in length, a depth of 30 inches, overall height of 39 inches tall. Measurement for the basin, we have 16 inches in length, 20 inches in depth, overall height of 12 inches. Stopper will be included for the drain, and faucet will be sold separate. Any faucet with a 9-inch radius will fit this sink. Last but not least, measurement for the drain board. From left to right, we have a total of 25.5 inches. Sink is also NSF approved and qualifies for the American Health Department. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this sink. Thank you.